So finally, guys, it is happening. Finally, the date that we all have been waiting for as regards the SoSoVALUE airdrop have been revealed. Now we have the date for the snapshot, and also we have the date when we are going to be claiming the airdrop. All right, so all those and a lot of important things happening as regards the SoSoVALUE airdrop I'll be sharing with you guys on this particular video. So make sure you watch to the end, never skip any part. Okay, so right now, guys, we are going to be covering a lot of things. I'm going to be telling you guys the exact thing that is happening and the reason why the SoSoVALUE team was actually pushed to drop this latest update right now. All this I'm going to be sharing it with you on this particular video concerning SoSoVALUE airdrop. So if you are new to our channel, or if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I teach you all about crypto. I help you make money, and I teach you many other things that's going to be helping you on this crypto space. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscription button down below to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and share the video. Watch to the end, do not skip any part. So to start with, I'm going to be starting with what actually happened and the reason why this update was actually pushed out by the SoSoVALUE team. Okay, so what happened was that recently an account appeared on the SoSoVALUE leaderboard. I'm going to be attaching it somewhere on the screen this side. So an anonymous account appeared on the SoSoVALUE leaderboard. That is the leaderboard showing the people who are accumulating the EXP ahead of the airdrop that was promised to be given to us on this first quarter of 2020. So an account suddenly appeared on that leaderboard, and of course this has actually raised a lot of concerns, and the SoSoVALUE community actually started tagging SoSoVALUE on X, telling them that an account suddenly appeared and it's possibly a bot account. So a lot of people actually said it because the account just appeared on the second position, and before an account can make it to that position, their account has to increase its position gradually. But this one appeared all of a sudden from nowhere. So this has actually raised a lot of concern, and SoSoVALUE team became aware of it, and now they are actually trying to find a way to curb that problem, so that people won't keep on creating a bot account and trying to spoil the whole show. When bot account is too much, then there is high chances that the airdrop that's supposed to be given to the community is not going to be as high as possible. So they are now looking for a way to actually cut out some people, that is some accounts that are believed to be bought. All right, so right now, without wasting time, let me take you into the latest tweets that they dropped right there on Twitter or X, and let's just talk a little bit about the SoSoVALUE airdrop. It is very, very important that you pay close attention so that you know how to take care of your own SoSoVALUE account and escape being cut out, to escape being suspended entirely. So right now you can see I'm actually on the SoSoVALUE X account right here, and this was the tweet. The tweet was actually made 9 hours ago, as you can see right here. The tweet was made 9 hours ago. So let me open up the tweet completely. So over here they are actually addressing issues around airdrop. All right, so they are addressing issues around airdrop, nothing more. So right now they said again, SoSo EXP airdrop update, defending community fairness. Okay, they are trying to make sure that everything is done fairly, that there's no cheat or whatsoever. They said right here, we have an important transparent update regarding the SoSo EXP airdrop. That is the people who are gathering points. So if you are hearing about SoSoVALUE for the first time, I believe the link is going to be right there on the video description box. So click on the link right there on the video description box to get started with accumulating SoSoVALUE airdrop, as the snapshot date is going to be revealed right here on this video. You have a lot of time to make whatever amount of point that you want. Okay, so let's continue. Sorry, my bad. They said again right here, while we aim for the Q1 airdrop, our data monitoring and community feedback have revealed major challenge: heavy penetration by automated bot script. That is, bots are now a kind of trying to take over the whole stuff right there. And they said right here, we have experimented with various methods to combat Sibyl attack, but new bot mechanism continue to emerge within days. If you distribute reward now, the value belonging to you real users will be severely diluted. This means that if they ignore those bots that are emerging every single time, then the actual reward that's going to be given real users is going to be very, very small. So they are now trying to find a way to stop it from going that way. So they said again, to protect the community of our to protect the interest of our true community, we are launching Value Defense Initiative. So they are now trying to launch an initiative, or they are trying to launch a campaign that is going to be working against those bots, that is going to be kicking them out entirely. Now let's continue again. They said this is the plan. Proof of personhood. They said starting in about a week, that is a week from now, we will introduce verification stacks to filter out bots and increase the allocation weight for real users. So within a week from now, they are going to be launching a kind of a campaign that is going to be helping to fight out bots, so that the reward for real users will be massive. Okay, now we continue. They say this is the timeline. They say right here, the snapshots right here, they say time updates, snapshots in April. They are going to be taking their official snapshots on April. That means you have from now, we are on January, you have from now till April to accumulate as much points as you want, because on that April the snapshot is going to be taken, and when snapshot is taken, whatever you do won't count anymore. So you have enough time. The link to get started is going to be right down in the video description box. So they said again, official airdrop in May. So basically we have January, February, March, all right, and April. That is, we are now heading into the second quarter of 2026. The airdrop is no longer going to be in it's no longer going to be on the first quarter of 2026, but now on second quarter. Not just on second quarter, but on May, which is the middle of the second quarter of 2026. So we now have the date for the snapshot and the date for the airdrop, which is April and May respectively. Now they said, why are they taking this action? They said right here, they said right here, my bad. Okay, so sorry, I'm using my smaller phone. So they said right here, by taking the time needed to eliminate fake accounts, the cake become larger for the remaining real supporters. So by taking the time to filter out all those bots, then it is going to be very, very beneficial to the real user, because the reward is going to be much bigger for them since the fake account has been kicked out. Okay, now they said, we choose long-term value over a rushed airdrop. We choose to stand with real users. So now they said again, note, there's an airdrop for SSI and Sudex users. So the airdrop for them is still going to hold on the normal date, which is of course February 13. That one is not affected. They are not talking about it. Now they say thank you for your patience. Okay, so here they even attached the pictures of those bots. You can see this one that was circled right here. That was the bot that just appeared from where nobody knows. That is the bot that they are talking about. So you can see a lot of people are complaining about it, and this is what actually raised the concern, and that is the reason why a lot of people are kicking against this initiative that we have currently. All right, so this is all you need to know right now as regards the SoSoVALUE airdrop. So now the question is, how do you actually protect your account? So to be able to protect your account, you simply need to keep your account very, very active, and when the verification starts, which is in a week from now, you have to fight all you could to make sure that you achieve the verification successfully from your end, so that you won't be kicked out. All right, so literally this is all you need to know right now as regards the SoSoVALUE airdrop. So if any new update drops, then I'm going to be letting you guys know immediately, so that you guys can take a better position. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping soon. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and wait for the next updates.